Hello and welcome to Old Ways Gardening and Prepping. My name is Teresa. I'd like to welcome you into the house this evening where, yes, we're opening another seed orders. Well, it's 3 seed orders. I have one more to come later on. It's a bigger one, so that one will have to wait. And I love seeds. Yes, my name is Mama Owl, and I am a seedaholic. So let's have some fun and get these packages open. Now, these three, thanks to a monetary donation, I was able to order seeds because that's what I was told to do. And all three orders have come from Etsy. Now, you can find some very interesting seeds on Etsy, and you do have to shop around and watch what you buy. But what they have excellent customer service. The companies I have are small uh businesses. They're small businesses is what I deal with, trying to help those in America survive. Alright, this first one is, and also they're tracking. Let me tell you, the minute you order, you start getting notifications of when things are packaged, when it's shipped, how it's shipped, where it's going, and very, very detailed shipping, which I appreciate. This first one is One Stop Seed Shop. So this one is really packaged good. It is taped like no tomorrow. And yes, I don't remember what all I ordered. We're fixing to find out. Oh, what beautiful packaging. Look at that. Alright, let's see. Let's get them turned around. Heal All Plant, also known as Self Heal. Look at the beautiful seeds. Absolutely gorgeous. I love the packaging. Since I lost my transplants or my seedlings last year due to Junior being in the hospital, I ordered some more. Dancing with Smurfs. Yes. Look at the beautiful, healthy seeds. Absolutely gorgeous seeds. This one I got, it's cherry falls uh cherry falls tomato. It is a hanging basket tomato. So I am happy with that. It's unfortunately determinate, but that's okay. Doesn't mean that I can't plant all these beautiful seeds. Look at those healthy, beautiful seeds. Garden bird Thai pepper. I'm looking forward to these. You know, I love my peppers. Look at those beautiful seeds. Oh, I got a 3 seed pack. All heirloom tomato mix. Oh, 3 seeds. Love companies or small businesses that add 3 seeds. So I won't know what these are. It's heirloom tomato mix. Look at the beautiful seeds, y'all. Oh, I'm happy with that one. Very, very pretty seeds. Love how they're packaged. And they were fast delivery. They packed and shipped very fast. Now, this second one, I laugh because it is Grimm's Gardens. Now, of course, all links for the businesses I bought from will be in the description box below. Grimm's Gardens. Let's see what I got. Yeah, the Renee's garden seeds. Let's see. Invoice. Paprika pepper, Hungarian Magyar. These are organic and heirloom seeds. And I love Renee Garden seed packets because you get so much information on each of the packages. I'm looking forward to these Moulin Rouge zinnias. I love zinnias. And this is one I've been looking to get. Sunzilla sunflower seeds. This is supposed to be a massive sunflower. The strong plants reach from 12 to 16 feet tall. To follow the sun, their brilliant golden flower faces make the entire garden a glorious, bright summer celebration. Let's see. Now, the plants get 12 to 16 feet tall. And if I remember right, let's see. Of course, it's an annual here. I forget. I forget how wide the heads get. Of course, all the seeds from Renee's Gardens are non-GMO, organic, and heirlooms. So I forget. I think they get a 1.5 to 2 foot wide. So I'm looking forward to Sunzilla. Now I'm happy to have this one, Zinger hibiscus. This is the cranberry hibiscus plant. So, yeah, thanks to somebody, yeah, I lost all my rooted starts I had for it. So, well, I've got seeds now. And I thought these sounded really pretty. They're called berry basket zinnias. And yes, I will be saving seeds from all the zinnias this year. And this order come from, now you can order from Renee's Garden. I'll put their link to their website as well. This came from Grimm's Gardens, which I love the name. Ha! This is the one I have been waiting for. Because y'all know my love of peppers. This comes from a small family business called Puppers Peppers. They grow all their own seed stock and they are organic. And I know they give you free seeds, so I'm looking forward to. Good grief. It's going to be a fight, y'all. That ain't mean business. You ain't getting in that envelope. Oh, look. And they bubble wrap them, too. Double bubble. Ha ha. Little bitty seeds. Hot peppers. Okay. Thank you for supporting our cause to help local animals in need. A portion of proceeds from your order will be donated to our local animal shelters through Critter Crusaders to help the furry ones in need. Find out more by visiting crittercrusaders.org. Please consider taking a moment to leave a review on your order and let us know how we did. Oh, I get a 10% off code on my next order. That's awesome. That is awesome, and I am happy to know that part of what I spent is donated to take care of homeless animals. Now that makes my night right there. That's a good cause, y'all. Alright, my first one is Rogers Giant Habaneros. And like I said, I'll have a link to their their Etsy shop. And this one is 7-pot Iowa Twister. Yeah, 7 pots. And this one I'm looking forward to. Jay's Yellow Ghost Scorpion. So it is a cross between a ghost pepper and a scorpion pepper. That ought to be interesting. Here's another one I'm happy to have. This is a beautiful pepper. It is called Black Panther. And it's extremely hot. This is the one that I really was happy to get here. This is a new one. Thor's Thunderbolt. You betcha. I am happy to have that one. And yes, this is extremely hot. And then to make chili sauce and salsa, I have Hatch chili seeds. And here's my freebie. I got a habanero hybrid for free. There's my free seeds. Free seeds. And now I know that I have a 10% discount. I know they had some other peppers. So when I get it to spare, I'm going to be using my little discount. And I also know that part of my spending will be going to help animal shelters. So that's absolutely wonderful. And they are called, the small business is called Puppers Peppers. Aha. I've been waiting because I love my hot peppers. The hotter, the better. And I've got to make a whole bunch of hot pepper salt and hot sauce and lots of goodies. Another batch of really good seeds to add to my stock. And I am looking forward to growing these plants or raising these babies from seed. And I hope you've enjoyed this video and it encourages you to also add to your stock of seed stock. Diversify. Add all kinds of things. Hot peppers are wonderful for arthritis. A lot of people don't realize high in vitamin C. Excellent to add into fire cider. It's called fire cider for a reason. It will burn out the infection, the cooties, the bugs, uh, I'm trying to think, bacteria. It will burn out bacteria, helps with inflammation, helps with arthritis, but you have to be careful with hot peppers if you have any ulcers. So you have to be very careful, but excellent. I am happy to have these seeds, and I am looking forward to, before long, I'll be starting my seeds because I don't have the big fancy inside setup. I do all my seeds in the little hooty hoop house. And like I said, all information will be in the description box below the video, as well as the links to each of the shops. And now I need to go leave some really good uh, responses or comments on the products because I am very happy with the seeds. Everyone, take care. Please stay safe and sound in this crazy world because it's getting crazier by the day. Continue to stock up on foods that will nourish and heal you. Seeds of all kinds. It's okay to have a few flowers, but focus more on vegetables, things that will feed you and nourish you, and herbs that will heal you. Continue to stock up on protection of all kinds as well as the bare essentials. Y'all take care. I look forward to seeing y'all in my next video, and may you each be blessed. Hoot hoot. I'll see you soon.